what I mean by it's broken. And this is to get to your battery over here.
Okay.
This is a Allen key size 532.
Uh-huh.
And then your battery's right here.
All right, that's right there when you take that cover off.
Yep.
Yeah.
It sure is.
What's that?
Battery terminal protector spray.
Uh-huh.
Basically prevents corrosion.
Huh.
This stuff is magic right here. One spray and it will not have any corrosion.
Huh.
It's crazy.
And you get that at O'Reilly's
Yep.
too.
Basically everything we get is from O'Reilly's.
So just let me ask you real quick: if you were to test for the amperage,
Oh,
how would
that's
you do it?
Basically you get a voltmeter
Okay.
and then you go to
Got
DC
one.
volts on it.
Yep.
Okay. DC. And then basically you just put the red meter lead to the red cable, the positive,
Yep.
and then the black lead to the negative.
Okay.
And it should read about like 12.8 with 13.5 fully charged.
Let me see your dial here. Volts. Okay. Gotcha.
And there's going to be AC and DC volts on your meter probably. So the difference is DC. See that little symbol right there? How it's like a straight line and then 3 short lines under it?
Yes.
That's DC. And then the squiggly line is AC.
Gotcha. Okay. All right. So it was pretty well still charged.
Yeah, pretty much fully charged. So
And it is sealed?
Well, they're all sealed, but you know it's not really sealed.
No, I mean you can't put water in it.
No.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh, I bet you could.
Oh. All right, Wendy.
Bet you could. Hey, they always say they're sealed and they always run out of
we've actually
water.
had plenty of batteries blow up on us inside the generator, but not this brand. We've never had this brand because we used to use Interstate batteries.
Yeah.
And those blew up like crazy.
Really?
And then we switched to these and they die, but they don't blow up.
And what's this one called?
Continental.
Continental.
And why would they blow up? Do you have any idea?
Overcharged or pretty much just overcharged. And those Interstate batteries, they have all kinds of compartments on top of them. And if one gets loose, breaks off or something, there's a really good chance of it blowing up.
Mm-mm. Does it wreck the whole generator then?
No, not really. It's not a big explosion. It's just messy. Usually when we open these up, it's battery acid everywhere and rust. It's just nasty. I actually got holes in almost all my jeans because of battery acid.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, I can imagine you want to wear good clothes.
Yeah, I learned quickly after starting here. We just bought $20 jeans from Walmart. I went through them all.
Oh man. Answer.
Okay.